Welcome back guys. So let us start with the selection shortcuts. In our earlier tutorials, we have seen the formatting, navigation and workbook basics shortcuts. So let us now start with the selection shortcuts. Okay, we are going to discuss 7 shortcuts over here. First shortcut is for selecting a row. Okay, so let's say I'm on this cell, particular cell, and I want to select the row 4. So what I'll do is I'll press shift and space bar. So let's click or press shift and space bar. When you see, the entire row is now selected. Similarly, if I'm on this particular cell and I want to select the row 12, I'll press shift and space bar so that the entire row is now selected. Okay, so shift and space bar is for selecting a row. Let's see this shortcut now for selecting a column. Now, instead of shift, you just make use of control. So control and space bar is for selecting a column. Let's say I'm on this particular cell and I want to select column E. What I'll do is I'll press control and space bar. So I have selected this particular column. Let's come down somewhere over here and press control and space bar. So the entire column B is now selected. So for selecting rows and columns, specifically shift and control along with space bar respectively are used. Now let's see how do we add a row and how do we delete a row. Now if I am on this particular row, let's say row 12, and I want to add a row. Okay, I want to add a row. The shortcut that I'm going to use is control and plus. So first I need to select this row and I'll press control and plus sign. So can you see, one row is now added. Okay, so I'll do that again. One row is now added. Maybe I'll do it over here so that it is properly seen. So I'll press control and plus. So can you see, the row is added. Similarly, if I want to delete this row, I'll just again click my mouse over here and press control and minus so that the row is deleted. Okay, control and minus is for deleting the row. We have seen control and spacebar already. Let's see for adding a column and deleting a column, what are the shortcuts? It's control and plus for adding a column and control and minus for deleting a column. So let us try to add a column between B and C. So I'll just press control and plus. Okay, can you see, one column is inserted? I'll press again so that one column is again inserted. And for deleting it, it's control and minus. So I'll just want to delete this one column only. So I'll press control and minus. Again for this also I'll press control and minus so that my column is now deleted. Control and A is for selecting your entire worksheet. So just press control A and your entire worksheet is now selected. So if you want to copy this worksheet in some other worksheet, you can just press control A, make a copy and then paste it in other worksheet. This is one option. Otherwise, where you can see this at the left hand top corner, you can see this sign over here. You can just click on that so that the entire worksheet is now selected. So these are some simple selection shortcuts that we have seen in this tutorial. So let's move on with another set of shortcuts in next set of tutorial.